Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dripless caulking guns that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the CJGQ Sausage Manual Caulking Gun. The gun features a variety of caulk usage by a higher thrusting ratio of 18:1. Moreover, it is a commercial-grade aluminum mixture while the trigger features steel construction. The aluminum frame minimizes the gun's overall weight without negotiating on durability, and the steel trigger provides stability in a busy workstation. The ergonomic design handle ensures with perfect grip when applying force by the user. Also, the 360-degree rotation capacity makes it an ideal option for undertaking deep places. The gun comes with a plastic hook on its back to make it easy to hang and saves your floor space. Yet it is easy to clean after use, which can save your time and strength. The outside of the gun barrel is coated by the oxidation plating process, which looks like a golden layer. Besides, this gun comes with appealing 3 colors: blue, gold, and silver. Moving on at number 4, we have the Dripless ETS 5000 industrial-grade heavy-duty caulking gun. Again, Dripless holds the position in our list for its super services and popularity. It's quite light in weight, and the frame is exceptionally composite, which makes it easy to carry and store. Besides, the frame can hold 1 to 4 gallons of cartridges. This cartridge's thrust ratio is 18:1 that works excellent with elements like latex, roofing sealants, silicone, concrete masonry, subfloor adhesives, drywall, and polyurethanes. The product has the setting of both the dripping and non-dripping. The rod appears behind after every trigger pull to avoid the dripping. Furthermore, a spout cutter and a sealing puncture tool also come with this product. This is absolutely ideal for any industrial usage and provides outstanding accomplishment. At number 3, we have the cutter knife installed dripless caulking gun. This easy-to-operating, dripless caulking gun is absolutely perfect for beginners. It has 2 cutter knives that allow the user to cut off the silicone nozzle head quickly and the cartridge head. The cutter knife is secured and uniquely made. This smooth-working caulk gun offers a thick and rust-free pressure bar that works well with less strength. Besides, it's comfortable, easy to operate, and fatigue-free gun. This premium caulk gun is made with lightweight PP glass and complete stainless steel to give a long-term usage and comfortability. It can hold 10 ounces of all-standard sealant in the cartridge with up to 1/10 gallon. So you can use any adhesives or sealant as your desire to use. Even it can work well in any cold environment. At number 2, we have the Dripless SH-111 Contractor Grade Heavy-Duty Caulking Gun. Dripless SH-111 is one of the best heavy-duty caulking guns on the market. The stainless steel skeleton frame, which is also called a parallel frame, makes it much durable and ideal for severe uses. Furthermore, it has adequate size, which makes it ideal for holding 10 ounces cartridges or tubes. This convenient size makes it handle plenty of fixing, so you don't need to change the cartridge continually. Another thing, this caulking gun has an excellent thrust ratio of 12:1, which allows it to be used with latex, acrylic, or silicone. A guaranteed result can be achieved with this thrust ratio. Additionally, the product arrives with a smooth pressure rod to deliver excellent releases that require less force. The gun also works at a whisper-quiet speed, ensuring not to disturb others while sealing cracks around the home. Of course, the built-in seal puncture tool and spout cutter into the gun side make it convenient for opening cartridges without a knife. And finally at number 1, we have the Dripless ETS 2000 Ergo Dripless Caulking Gun. Dripless manual-operated caulk gun has a lightweight body and an ergonomic handle, making the caulking application more comfortable. The hook on the back of the caulking gun lets you hang it while you need both hands to work on. It is produced to hold the 10-ounce tubes of caulk. It is capable of applying caulk, silicone, latex, and more with its 12:1 thrust ratio. Besides, the rotating barrel will allow you to work around the corners, so you don't have to stop and change the applicator's position. A spout cutter in the side of the gun lets you open the cartridges without a knife. Furthermore, this cartridge gun dispenses a controlled flow of caulk, sealants, or adhesives from a tube or cartridge to deliver a smooth caulking finish. To reduce user fatigue due to long-time work, it has an ergonomic grip to keep the wrist naturally balanced. Additionally, this caulk gun's heavy-duty Ergo composite body is sturdy enough to exert the pressure and provides superior performance. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.